Oh, there, Governor, can you lend me 50p? Can you lend me tenner? Can you lend me £50 million? Can you lend me £700 billion to bail out a bank? Thank you very much, Governor, for a cup of tea. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely.
That's what many Wall Street people are asking today. With me in the studio to discuss the current financial mire that we may all find ourselves in is Prime Minister Gordon Brown. Mr. Brown, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Brown, judging by what we've seen in the American markets and the crash out and the bailout of many American institutions, what would you say to someone who agrees with a plan that they haven't even seen or has been worked out yet, wholeheartedly and fully?
Well, look, we recognize that many people will have difficulty in grasping this, particularly sun readers. What we need to do is we need to show people that we are able to communicate with the Americans on their own level. And so agreeing with everything they say and doing everything that they tell us to do makes things life a lot easier for me. Otherwise I'd be in an orange chute in Guantanamo Bay.
So, Prime Minister, do you see us going down the same road as the United States? I mean, do you see taxpayers having to fork out for the sort of things that we've seen in the United States?
Well, I don't see us doing the same thing over here. We recognize that there will be a problem. We tend to follow the United States about 6 months later. And I'm not some pimp, you know, some Hollywood 1970s pimp going, my bitch better have all my money, but replacing the word bitch with building society or bank. I'm talking about the taxpayer. The taxpayer better have all my money. I'm not just talking about some of my money. Let's make that clear now. I want all their money, all of it, every last penny. If I have to hang them up by their ankles and rattle them over a hotel balcony, I will do that, provided the taxpayer is meeting the expense of the room.
So in short, Prime Minister, you're going to milk this for every ounce of goodness you can get out of it.
You bet your life.
Yeah, I may very well have to bet my life, because the way you are managing the economy, there won't be very much else to left to bet with. Turning to our financial analyst, Marley's Ghost. Marley, what do you reckon about this?
No, 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 Mr. Brown, no!
Mr. Brown, how do you counter that opinion? He's run off.
Yeah, you can stop that now.
Sorry.